Hello! Today we bake chocolate banana muffin. Look at stir the banana paste. Well, just 3 medium bananas with some ingredients. I'll show you the recipe. Oh yes, you need sugar too, and we use a brown sugar. There you have it, the recipe. Very easy to follow. Just pause, you can read it for yourself. And then you gotta sift the flour. Sift. Again, not difficult to do. Sifting goes on. 1x. Okay, now you're gonna mix the mixer. No, mix the mix. Oh, those are beautiful Verona chocolate balls. Every baker's dream. Now you have to mix the whole concoction with the balls inside as well. Mix them evenly, but don't mix too much because you're not supposed to overmix. And then lay them all out in these nice baking cups. The recipe is just nice. You can see about 4x4 for the recipe. Then a little oven, just a nice size for this. And start to bake 25 minutes. And look at that beautiful chocolate banana muffin. Yums, the yums. It's easy to do. You can keep it in the fridge for a few days and eat a couple every day. And you'll all be done. You don't have to go to bakeries to buy anymore. Yay, you know exactly what you eat, which is good because we cut down on the sugar. The chocolate itself, dark chocolate, not very sweet, so it goes very well with coffee. You can have it for tea, you can have it for breakfast, you can have it for night snack. You can have it any time of the day because it's so nice. Well, thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your stay at home. Bye.